Okay, in this video I'm going to go through the new copy number feature that has been introduced into greenlisted. There's two ways of using it. One is by clicking here, and the other one is when you design your guides to add a cell line that you want to work with. I'm going to start with this version where you press copy number, and here it loads all the copy number variation data from the cell lines. The data is coming from DepMap Omics copy number gene dataset and contains roughly 2000 cell lines. Here you can search for a cell line or click a cell line or search a cancer type, let's say melanoma here for example, or melan. And then you can select, here you can select one or several of these. And then you press activate. So then you selected your cell lines. So these are the selected cell lines. Then you can introduce a list of genes that you're interested here. And then you press run. And then you get this type of table that you can download as numbers, but also as figures like here. And what you see then is, first of all, the copy number here is the sequencing data. And keep in mind that this is a large scale sequencing effort. These cell lines could be have a mixed genotype, so it will never be perfect number of copies here. So this information is more informative for you to know if there is a major difference or not. You will also see that some of these, and many cancer cells, almost 50% of cancer cell lines at least, have this whole genome duplication or doubled, meaning that they actually have double the amount of copies. And what you see then down here is sort of an estimate how many copies these cells have based on if there's whole genome duplication as well as the copy number variation. So if it's gray, it means that it's a sort of a normal, there's no copy number variation, except for that there might be duplication to start with. And when there is a blue one, there is actually a gain. And when there is a red one, there is a loss. So this is information that could be useful for you. The other alternative is to use the copy number variation type of information is when you design guide RNAs targeting one gene or several of them. So then you do as usual, you start by selecting your library. Jacquer and Juliana are our go-to libraries at the moment. They are the most updated. You put in your gene of interest here. Then you can select a cell line to use and search for melanoma, for example. We take the A375 again, and then you press run. And then first of all, you get your guide RNA suggestions from before, but now we also added this copy number, so you can look at this specific gene to see how many copies you would find. So with that, this is a new feature then of greenlisted that I think could be very useful. So thank you.